It's Friday! I am so proud of everybody working so hard, and today is our last day of the week. We'll be working on Lesson 9, Module 7. Our I can statement is I can reason about composing and decomposing polygons using tangrams. So basically, this is just the same as our Lesson 7 when we compose and decompose polygons, but we use tetrominoes. This one we're using tangrams. Okay, boys and girls, here we go. You will be needing your lesson 9 homework page to work with me today. And it says, use at least 2 tangram pieces to make and draw each of the following shapes. Draw lines to show where the tangram pieces meet, okay? So at least 2. We can't use 1. The least number is 2. So that means we can use 2 or more. All right, boys and girls, let's look at number or letter A. It says a triangle. So we can start with a big triangle, okay? Oopsies, let me just erase that part. It's kind of crooked. So let's draw a big triangle. Now, what do you think? I'm going to use my red pen to show you that tangrams can be used to form a triangle. So there you go. So I have 1, 2 small triangles, another triangle there, and a square. Easy. How about a square? This is a square. Okay, this is approximate. And now I'm going to use my red. Ooh, I can use my square tangram piece right here. And then I can use 2 triangles on that side. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, tangrams, made a square. Next, a parallelogram. A parallelogram is 4-sided quadrilaterals or polygon. Okay, 4-sided polygon. And then, of course, 2 sides are slanted. Okay, and then, of course, we can just erase that part. And now, let's put our tangram pieces. I saw one triangle here and another here. And then you can make that 2 squares and then split that, and then you can also split that, and you can actually make smaller triangles on this side. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 triangles. If you want, you can replace this as your square, the middle side part. I just colored it in just to make sure that you know we can also use a square there. All right, a trapezoid. A trapezoid is something like this. Okay. Now, how am I going to split that using tangrams? I can split that here, there, there. But I want squares. So what I'm going to do is or a rectangle. I'm going to use this part right here to use a quadrilateral there. All right, boys and girls, this is pretty easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. Okay, now let's move on to this part. Ooh, look at this. All right, use your tangram pieces to create the cat below. Draw lines to show where the tangram pieces meet. Okay, so this is a cat. All right, so I already see a triangle there and a triangle here and a square there. How about on this side? Oh, a small triangle there and a big rectangle here. And this is already a triangle. Now, how about this one? You can split this into... That is so amazing. Now, I give you a challenge, boys and girls. If you are paying attention, please create your own animal or objects made up of tangrams. And please show it to me in Dojo and Flipgrid, okay? And then we have a last question. It says, use the 5 smallest tangram pieces to make a square. Sketch your square below and draw lines to show where the tangram pieces meet. Okay, so I'm gonna make a square first, and it says smallest pieces. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use small squares and triangles. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. I'm using my smallest triangles and square. Quick! All right, that's it. We compose, put together, decompose is splitting today using tangrams. I hope you had fun because I did. Don't forget, great focus and exit ticket. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.